Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So this is the beautiful beauty here in Monaco. So this is Monaco Monte Carlo. So this here is the beautiful spot. So this is one of the tourist spot here in Monaco. So there is the restaurant. And this is the Casino Monte Carlo. This is the building where you could find all the branded, the signature brands. Louis Vuitton. So this is it. So there is the app. This is the best part of Monaco, where you could see lots of tourists, and also all the expensive cars, luxury cars passing in this place. So this is it. So loving this piece, and of course thank you guys. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel, so I am more determined to keep posting. I'm sorry. So I didn't say that there's somebody behind me. So I keep on saying something. So thank you so much. This is so beautiful here. Actually, this is a fountain. And there in front, here in the middle, is the where you can see the like a globe. So it's very clear in this area. So I really love this one. Actually, some people display this in their home as a flower also. But actually, in the Philippines, this is just a normal grass. But here it's very special. So some of the grass here is very special for them. It's just the grass in the Philippines, but here it's very special for them. I love this one. So thank you for watching.